Yeah, we are here at the Stockton New Year for 2017. Here's the parking lot. Right now it's about what, 10:30? Yeah, so it's 10:30 and then we're at the parking lot and then we're gonna go in a little bit and see what happened inside. All right, let's go over here. I think there are a dancer group. Yeah, take pictures. Hey guys, this is dancer, huh? Gia. I thought you got dancer. You get all in then you got a family then, right?
Yeah, sisters.
Oh, no wonder. Oh, so who's the oldest one then? Oh, you're the older one? Wow, this for one brother. Itu sah? Wow.
The corner. You guys can find a picture here, okay? My favorite there, like my Facebook, I'll put.
So you guys all in high school?
Thank you, graduating.
Oh, you graduate, huh? Oh, so who's still in high school?
Me and her.
Are you guys still in high school? And then you guys graduating? Oh, where do you guys plan to go?
Huh?
Plan một gần đó không thấy gì à?
Not now.
Oh, really? Already working?
Yeah, everybody's just working now.
Wow, hey guys, nên lên từ xã hội nhà mua hoa lửa chứ, cho nó đó. Oh, that's cool. All right, nice to see you guys. We'll see you guys inside. I guess we need to go get tickets. Okay, so we're here to get tickets. We just met some very nice girl. What? Oh, okay, that's cool. So we're gonna go and get ticket right now. Okay, go on. Banchia. I got a sister.
Yeah, bây giờ.
내 영어 나서.
Nó biết nhớ sai của mình sao?
Oh, 또
Yeah.
배워. Oh, you guys dancing too?
Yeah.
Which group? Are you guys dancing?
Biết hơn sai sốt chưa?
Sure, sure. Okay, do I met you guys before? I wonder.
No, I don't think so.
Not yet? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Oh, 내 전부 내 dance.
Been light check-in by cậu Yip Hmong.
Oh, are you
Yeah.
guys on time or you guys late? See.
On time.
On time?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So where is it? Is it inside somewhere?
Yeah, it's in the building. We have to go look for it because chỉ tao bảo nha.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Same with us. 같이 봐. 또
Yeah.
샤이 있어. go 보자.
Cú bánh xe.
반치야, 뭐하자?
Xin mong her.
好. Oh, okay. Gồm 보자. Yeah, cái này là nhỏ. Oh, okay. Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Của two friend đã đi mua hơi ra, của mấy two friend không ra hết. Yeah. And then we just. Oh, it's day for you guys too.
Yeah.
Oh man, how many in your group? Đây là dancer. Wow.
Yeah.
That's a lot, huh? Should be fun.
How you good?
Oh man, I should wear dress too because I could just.
Well, you're over there. You have to go back quicker.
I know. All right. And we're gonna drop off tickets. Oh, okay. All right, cool. So we drop ticket in.
Yeah.
All right, now we are officially in the new year. Okay, we are in the new year now, officially. Hôm nay I'm looking for the Stockton New Year. So they have a red carpet, kind of red, it's orange. Yeah, that's the gate.
Cho kha lưu zu yi bi di du cai di gao luo du cai luo gao. Zha zi zhao zha du zu bi mo lu ba zha bi jiao le jie you lu mo lu. Ba zha bi jiao yi yu jia lu ga mo lu mo ba jia.
Sorry, I missed you.
có cha ý chung đủ thì sẽ cho cha lô tu
Kan jag starta här?
Wait for photography now. If you have any photography, just let me know.
Sorry, I don't have anything for you.
Okay.
You know, I'm just... Câu hú chả? Lá hả? Câu món chả? Lẩu hả? Oh, that's cool. Của nhà món giá is he's a yang too. Quế tổ she's a... Yeah. So you in high school? Oh, last year hả? Oh, where are you going? Wow, chị Sắm gần đó gì hả? Oh.
I'm trying to find cheese. He gave us cheese.
All right, that's 360 view of the fairground. Go check out this barbecue food place over here. They do have some good food. Looks like it. Yeah, let's go inside the house. Inside, I think they're gonna do a competition dancing, dance or singing inside. Then we'll come back out. Right? Okay, let's go inside and then we'll see what happens inside. Okay, so we are inside the place. Group, huh? Oh. Yeah, so I guess you guys can try it out for Ning on Joa too. Too bad that you must think on Joa. We would try it out too. Oh, Shina. Oh, that's right. Okay. I got to learn my Hmong stuff. This is art. Looks like it's a wishing tree.
Yes.
So you write on something that you wish for something,
Well,
right?
you write what's the best thing about being Hmong.
Oh, okay. I thought it's like a wishing tree that you want your wish to come true. Then, you know, you write it up.
Maybe it'll come true.
Good idea. Hey, you know what? That's the best advice I heard so far. Bây giờ là con.
Học của bao giờ? Cái niệm tiếng nói à?
Fish or not? Okay.
Yeah, Great Wall. It says right here in China.
Oh, okay.
So when I short day, like here, short down there. Here, the music of all, what day? Yeah, you're gonna show loud, huh?
Oh, okay.
So.
Okay, so.
It's a story about which.
Oh, so there's a story about it, right? Then?
Yeah, but what happened, like where they start. But I know they started up there.
Okay, the story of Short Day. They come to Blanc Day, right?
Yeah, and they talk about CIA.
Oh, okay. So this is the war to Blanc Day, Chitua, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I guess this is when they come to. Oh, this is the war? Oh, Chitua, okay. Oh, this is the war?
CIA, secret
Okay.
war.
Okay, secret war.
And then they cross the Mekong River.
Okay, okay. So then they cross the Mekong
So
River.
yeah, it's like this. You should know how story until you know.
Okay, so it goes from here,
From left.
left here,
Yeah.
and then it goes this way, the fight, and then across the river, Mekong River.
River. Then it's on the secret refugee the law.
Okay, this is a refugee.
And then the Mika này, Mika.
Okay.
Đó
And
là
then
Mika.
tour to Mika.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we'll go back outside and see what happened. He's outside already. Okay, let's take a picture. Hey guys, are you guys in a dance group too? Nè chị dance hả? Dance hả? Đi hả? Lấy bé lần sao? Wow. Lâu rồi ta.
Yeah. Là
Là Stockton hả?
là tua là không đánh hơi Philly của sở.
Oh, so okay, so 5 in a group, but today just 3 of you guys. How come the other guy didn't make it?
One's right here, but
What happened? Too much fun?
no.
Walking around?
I'm gonna enjoy it.
Later? You too, right? You're in the group? You're the fifth
Our
one?
teacher.
So what time you guys gonna go on?
We're not sure yet.
Oh, you're not sure yet?
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of dance performances. Just have one dance.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
你都3年到了？
Huh?
你都冇3年到了？
So
Oh. เราบอกมั่วเลยชั่วโมงนี้มั่วจะ sign in. Are you getting late to sign in or?
yeah, I think so.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, what the fuck, yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. All right. Don't want to hold you guys for your late registration. So have fun. We'll come and watch you guys later.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay. See you guys.
Yeah, it's the first time, so it's fine.
Really? Oh, okay. Me too.
Jason.
Yeah, me too. First time. Yeah, how did you guys like it so far?
It's okay. It's so
Oh, really?
Yeah, because usually every year it's on. It's totally
Wait.
different.
So 特上路好nhỏ đó.
No, the toast right here. This is the first time we're doing it here.
Okay, how about before? Lớp
It
tàu
was,
hả nhỏ?
no, it was where the parking lot right there is.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is the first time I've seen. Well, they'll tell you but then and they came back to the building.
Oh.
It's been a while.
It's nicer like this.
Yes, it's nicer like
Right?
Yeah,
Nice
so
building.
Yeah.
Yeah. So last year you little painted dancing little outdoor tăng cho sao?
Yeah, outside the building. This is my little David Kupon and what you're trying to
Oh, that's why they do like that.
But it's nicer this way.
Yeah, I like it. You know, if you want to go watch the dance, you go inside.
Yeah.
You know, nice and quiet in there. Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you guys.
You guys.
Yeah, we'll be seeing you. We'll be working around. You know, so we'll see each other.
Come on. Jayla.
So here's the. Yeah, no, too much. All right, so we do have some people from Bonn here. All right, here we go. Look at the hill, and then look at nice sunny day, and look at all the people coming out to celebrate Stockton New Year today. Alright, so we go look for a place to eat. The line is too long in there.
Saigon Noodle House, and there's Noodle 9, Saigon Vietnamese Shark. So there's 3 of them in there and then together.
Let's go to the Saigon one.
Let's go
Sounds
to
like a,
Saigon
yeah.
Noodle House.
yeah, sounds
was
like a
about,
Vietnamese noodle. Okay, this is my lunch for today at the Stockton New Year. We stopped by the noodle place. So this is my Uyot Tai Mo. Yeah, and then always come with the soup and then seasoning.
That's a big serving.
And then this is what do you got? Bánh chò đó.
Vermicelli noodle.
Vermicelli, yeah.
That's
Okay.
a big portion.
Yeah. Oh man, I think my stomach is gonna be blown. Yeah. Okay, so we're back. There's still a lot of people left. So that's cool. Wow, Nuchi here. Huh?
Yeah.
Lần tròn sẽ xong kìa. Ồ, là tôi mua lần tròn đó chỉ là bé thật của con nè. Okay, here we are. Back. Now it's like 2 o'clock, 2:30. I would say 2:30. We still have a lot of people here. Right now, là bỏ now. So we are here.